Good morning, guys. Good morning, friends. How are you all? So, today we are going to learn the testing techniques, different testing techniques while writing the test cases. So, there are two types of testing techniques. They are black box testing technique and white box testing technique. We will go in detail now. In black box testing technique, there are three types: equivalence partitioning (EP), boundary value analysis (BVA), and error guessing. Error guessing depends upon experience of the software tester. Example of boundary value analysis test case design technique. Assume we have to test a field which accepts age 18 to 56. Now in boundary value analysis, what will happen is we will take one test case which is invalid. Minimum boundary value is 18 and maximum boundary value is 56. So we will take 17, 18, 19, 55, 56 and 57. There are 6 test cases to be covered in the boundary value analysis. In equivalence partitioning test case design technique, we can cover the 3 test cases. One is less than 18, one is greater than 56, and one is in the middle of 18 and 56. So this is equivalence partitioning. Now equivalence partitioning involves dividing input into groups or partitions where the system is expected to behave similarly. Test cases are designed to cover one representative value from each partition. For example, for an age input field that accepts value between 18 and 56, valid equivalence class is 18 to 56, invalid equivalence class is less than 18 and greater than 56. Test cases could include one valid input, that is anything between 18 and 56, and two invalid inputs. One is less than 18, another is greater than 56, like 17 and 57. Boundary value analysis. Boundary value analysis focuses on testing the edges or boundaries of input ranges, as errors often occur at boundary values. For example, for the same age input 18 to 56, boundary values are 17, 18, 56, 57. And 19 and 55. 17 is just below lower boundary, 18 is at lower boundary, 19 is just above the lower boundary, 55 is just below the upper boundary, 56 at upper boundary, 57 just above upper boundary. So these 6 test cases we can write using the boundary value analysis. Now, white box testing techniques. White box testing, also known as clear box, open box or glass box testing, is a software testing method where the internal structure, design and implementation of the application are tested. The tester has complete knowledge of the code, enabling them to examine how the system works internally and design tests that cover specific code paths. Statement coverage, decision and branch coverage, and condition coverage. These are the 3 types of testing coverage in the white box testing. We'll go one by one now. Statement coverage. Statement coverage ensures that every executable statement in the code is executed at least once during testing. The formula is statement coverage is equal to number of statements executed divided by total number of executable statements into 100. This is statement coverage. Now, decision or branch coverage. Decision coverage ensures that each decision, that is if or switch statements in the code, evaluates to both true and false at least once during testing. The formula is decision coverage is equal to number of decision outcomes executed divided by total number of decision outcomes into 100. This is decision or branch coverage. Now, condition coverage. Condition coverage ensures that each individual condition in a decision, for example, components of a compound condition, is tested for both true and false outcomes. The formula is condition coverage is equal to number of condition outcomes executed divided by total number of conditions outcomes into 100. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will get the notifications. Thank you.